Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if your Android smartphone can record video in 4.2K or 8K resolution. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application name as ProShot. Just scroll down below and now you will see here the application ProShot. Just tap on it. Now tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now it will ask you some permission. Just allow all the permission. So finally you can see there is an interference. So I'm not gonna discuss all the features here this application gonna provide you. So on the left side you can see here one icon. Just tap on it, and now just select this video icon. Now you can see here in my Android smartphone the 4.2K max is supported, as you can see clearly if I tap on it. So you can see here these settings may not work on all devices. Please test it by taking a short video first. So let me click on OK, and now after selecting, let us check if I can really record or not. So let me try to press the record button. So now you can see it's recording. So how long it can record? So let us wait for a few seconds just to check if it can record above 10 seconds or not. So it can definitely record. So let me stop it and let us go to the gallery. So you can see here it's perfectly working. So by using this application named as ProShot, you can easily find out if your Android smartphone can record video in 4.2K or 8K resolution very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.